Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I want to talk about React. Yeah, let's just jump into it. It's time, and I want to talk about what is React about, what is React, and we will start a new project and let's see how it works, right? Great. React, first of all, let me show you the website, the main website of React. It's this one. React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. And what exactly it means? User interfaces, it's basically web pages. The web pages are formed by three elements, that is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. HTML, it's basically something used for structuring everything. It's something that we use to divide things. CSS used for styling, and JavaScript, it's more for the logic, right? It's more for handling and changing states and changing how those elements will interact with each other. We can perfectly use just these three elements for building web pages, but it's not that easy, you know, when you want to construct something bigger and something that will have lots of functionalities. So React come for turning it easy. React turns, it helps us to build complex structures and handling with these three elements in a very easy way, right? Not necessarily easy, but in less complex, you know, because it organizes your structure, your folders, and it divides into components, and it turns everything much easier. So as I was telling you guys about the components, this is an image that I found that I think will help us to understand what is exactly the components. Let me just move myself around. So we have here some imagine that this is a web page and we have here some components. So this, for example, number one, it's a component, and this is being reused in right here. And we can use components inside other components as well. So it gets more organized. I think you will understand more this when we will start coding. But this is basically what components means, right? The entire page, it's divided in small blocks, you know, and these blocks combined make the page. Each block, it's a combination of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In the end, React is all about components, and these components are like building blocks that you will reuse in the entire application, right? Great. Let me drag me around here. For start with a new React project, we must have Node installed. We have here some instructions of how to create a new project. But for running this, for this working like this is happening here, we must install Node on our computer, right? Basically, Node is not something directly related to React, but we need to install Node on our machine in order to run JavaScript in our computer, because generally we run our pages on the browser and the JavaScript are running on a browser. But in order to develop and run and mount a server that we can compile our application, we need to have Node installed for running the JavaScript on our machine out of our browser. For installing it, it's very easy. You just have to download it on the official website and install everything. It's very easy. Let me download on downloads, save. Right. For running, you just have to click on continue till the end. Right, that's it. This is all. This is installed. It's very easy. So now we are ready to run this script for creating our React application, right? I will copy this because I don't want to type everything. And we will need to have here the terminal. You will open the terminal in your computer, and I already navigated here to desktop, so we will create the project here on my desktop. So I will paste this here. I will use different name, different project name. I will do test, right? Pressing enter, it will run this script. Great, the process is finished. Now we must navigate into the folders project and first start the application. For start a server that will show a preview of the application, we must run the command npm start. Right, returning here to our terminal, as you can see, this command starts a server, a local server here on our machine, on our computer, in this address that will show us a preview of the application, right? So this is the application that is right here. Let's open it on code, right? Let me Control C, yep. Let me start code. Right, here we have the application on code. Let's first of all see here the project structure. We have here a source folder with some files, and we have here a package.json file. Here we have all the dependencies of this project. In the future we will talk about it. And we have source folder, where is all the files of the project, right? Where is all the HTML, or where we'll put all the styling and the code, the logic of the application. And yeah, that's it. So thanks a lot for watching this video. This was like just something to, you know, tell you guys how to start a new project. For sure we will talk a little more about this in the next videos. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one, right? Bye.